Sri Mahalakshmi Jagdamba Mata Mandir, also known as Koradi Temple, is located on the banks of Koradi Lake about 15 kilometers north of Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is an old historical temple dedicated to goddess Mahalakshmi. The temple is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths of Devi Jagdamba. The area of the temple is 3.5 acres. All the Vastu Shastra was kept in mind while designing it. The temple was based on pre-planning. After a lot of trials and ideas, it was designed. It is inspired from Bhosle or Rajwada style of architecture. Stones used are Rajasthani stone, Ambaji marble and Agra red stone. The architect of the main temple is Nishikant Vyogere and of the outside structure is Mokha, who is Nagpur based. After the Jeernoddhar of the temple was done in 2017, it was expanded. Earlier, it was a small temple made up of Matti Gota. Swambhu is a Sanskrit word that is used to describe a self-manifested image of a deity which was not made by human hands. Instead, it is generated by nature. The Murti here is believed to be Swambhu as nobody installed it. The timings of the Aarti are 6 am, 11:45 am and 7:30 pm. One can see difference in Mataji's face at all the three times.
The surroundings consist of a kund and a gomo. There is a natural stream of cool water. Stones of Rangoli are still found in this area. The architectural beauty of the shrine finely showcases the ancient roots of the mandir. People are believed to succeed in the four components of a good life: Artha, Dharma, Kam and Moksha, with the blessings of Devi Sakhumani. मंदिराच्या प्रत्येक कोपऱ्यात जीवन आहे. तुम्हाला ती ऊर्जा सगळीकडे पसरलेली मिळेल. पुन्हा असे पण म्हटले जातात की जर इथे देवी समोर आपण मनापासून प्रार्थना केली तर आपली इच्छा नक्की पूर्ण होईल. Which means every corner of the temple here has life. You feel that energy radiating, and it is even said that if you pray here from all your heart, your wish comes true.
It is the 8th generation of all the Pandits there, and nothing has changed. Mataji ki Murti, Shiv Mandir, 50 years old well, 150 years old tree, they are all the same.
The temple complex is crowded by huge mass during 9 days long Navratri festival. On these festive days, at night more than 50,000 lamps are lighted at the premises.
It is the 8th generation of all the Pandits living there. To know more about the temple, we interacted with them. They described everything vividly and with so much detail. It was a thoroughly enjoyable and fulfilling experience for all of us.